And because we've been doing this for a while, it's not easy, but we're very familiar with this kind of construction, so we can get through it. So when we bought this 45-degree downslope lot, we thought, no big deal. And we were so wrong, but for a really obscure reason. And I want you to hear this. Our problem was that we made assumptions about the building standards that apply to developers in Utah. In California, a developer has to deliver what they call a blue top lot. And that means that the lot's been properly graded, bad soil's been removed, new soil's been imported, everything's been compacted, graded, and stabilized, and it's ready to build on. And we just assumed that that would be the standard in Utah, and we were so wrong. There are no standards around this in Utah. The developer took his large grading equipment, he just mowed his way through the development, cut a slope through the hillside, and then he just threw all the dirt down the hill. By the time we were looking at the property, everything was grown over. There was nice sagebrush and everything. But basically, he left us and all the other homeowners with a total mess. So when it came down to it, we did drill a few core samples, but we didn't do enough. So we ended up having to over excavate our site by 9 feet. That's a huge amount. We had to go 9 feet further down into the ground on grading than we expected. We had to export hundreds of truckloads of dirt, bring in new dirt, change the entire foundation plan of our home. And I'm not even sure what it cost us in the end. My husband won't talk about it. It's left deep scars, might require a few years of therapy until he's okay talking about it. But I digress. So here are some of the key questions for you to ask. Is the soil on my property stable enough for construction without expensive treatments? And make sure you really know this. Make sure you've done the testing that you need. Are there contamination issues, water table issues, or expansive soil issues that could delay my project or just increase the expenses?